Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Richard today, and today we're going to be setting up that Energizer Connect outdoor switch. First thing you need to do, go on your app store. You'll see Energizer Connect. Press install. It's going to connect. And again, even if it's outside, you have to have Wi-Fi, so make sure you have strong Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have 2 to 3 bars at all times here. So as long as I have that, this should connect proper. You can see it's downloading. And I just clicked on that, so let's go back here. Open app. Bam, create an account. Agree. Quickly set this up and get a verification code. Once you set up your account, you'll see home's home because I just made something ridiculous. We're going to hit add. We're not going to do any of this. Let's just see if we can add device list. Add a device. It's going to ask, what would you like to do? Power. It's going to tell you, confirm pairing procedure. Plug in the device and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. So that's probably this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, I have it powered on, powered off. Okay, and if it's not doing this, what you'll do is you'll click it for 5 seconds, then power it off, and it should be blinking. If it doesn't, then power it off, wait 10 seconds, power it back on, and then click and hold it until it resets and starts blinking like that. Here we go, Nomad. See how it just found it? That's my Wi-Fi. It should automatically find the Wi-Fi that your phone connects to. Put in your Wi-Fi password. The light goes blue, then it'll ask you, where are you putting this? And let's see if it'll let me edit a name. Perfect. Outdoor plug, save. I don't want to name it anything else. Done. Socket is off. Click it. Look at that. Click. Click. You can put it on a timer. You can press up here. What hours do you want it to be on? I want the on time to be 5 o'clock sharp, because that's when it's getting dark now. Here. And I want it to turn off at, we can do 6. You can do 6 or you can do 7. I think I'm going to do 7 o'clock in the morning, a.m. 7 a.m. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Every single day. Save. You can now see that this is there and it is on. It knows that it should be turned on right now. Tomorrow morning, I'll see if it's still on. And that is it. Socket is on. Timer is on. That's it. That's how this works. You can do a countdown too. You can just continually switch it from here. And of course, you can add more devices if you so wish. And if we go back here, look at this. On my home, there's my one device. If you have a doorbell camera, it'll be here. Any other cameras, light strips, anything else. It's very easy to use. I'm actually surprised. And again, you don't have to pay a hub fee or an app fee or anything. If you buy the product, it's literally free. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Press like if it helped you out, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.